Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have the ever popular Haas Super Mini Mill. This one just arrived at our Byron, Illinois facility. It's got the famous Haas CNC Control, of course. You got a 10,000 RPM spindle on such a compact machine with a 10-station automatic tool changer. It also comes with the high-speed machining, USB drive, expanded memory, rigid tapping, Spindle Orientation. Make sure to request a quote from us as soon as you can because small machines like this are a big seller in the industry right now. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's hear how the machine sounds. Well, there you have it, the Haas Super Mini Mill. It's ready to load up and ship out and get cutting for you. If you have any questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. You can email us at sales@machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.